Hello world, welcome to the 226th video on my channel where I'm building my own digital assistant named Shane, like Jarvis from the Iron Man movies and comics. I think the majority of my viewers are beginners or who have never started Python at all and would like to start using Python but just don't know how to start. So they like the videos, they like what I'm doing, but they just wish they could do their first program. So I just recently bought a new computer and I'm going to show you how to install Python and PyCharm. PyCharm is the IDE that I use. The IDE allows you to program and has support tools for it. And there are two ways to install Python. I'm going to show you how, and then we'll install PyCharm. So the first thing you can do is go to your search bar and go to Python download. Then you go to python.org, and assuming you have Windows, you can download the latest version for Windows. So before we do that though, most computers do not have Python, so you can go to your command prompt and type in either Python version and see what happens. Okay, so Python was not found, and so you can try to do pip install Y-Finance, which is a popular library, and it says pip is not recognized. All right, so we're going to change that. So the first way to do this is we can go to download Python, and it will download the installer for you. And you can go ahead and click this and then install now. But before you do that, let's do add python.exe to path. So go to install now. And that saves you a step by clicking on that path. So we'll let that install. Okay, we're not going to do the online tutorial. And then we can close. All right, so now you can go to your command prompt. And with a new Windows, this won't work. But if you had an older computer and you're just doing this for the first time, you can go to Python version and it will tell you your Python version. It doesn't work like this for me, but you can go pip install Y-Finance now, and it will now be able to install one of the most popular finance libraries. So now you have Python installed. But what you normally see is people in an IDE programming, and you can go to install PyCharm from here. But we're going to do something different. So let's say you bought your a new computer as well, and you want to install Python in a different way. You can do that. So I believe it's that Microsoft Store will pull up. So this is if you just typed in Python without installing it. So go to Python, and it looks like 3.2 is not the is the most current one, but it will open up and yours might say get or install. So if you type in install here, it's going to download for you, and this is going to download a lot slower. So I'll cut when it's installed. Okay, so now it is installed. So these are the two different ways, right? So the first way is to go to download python.org downloads, and the second way is go to your Microsoft Store and download the most current version of Python 3.12. So either way you choose is fine. And so now what you can do is you can download PyCharm. You don't have to download PyCharm. There are tons of other Python IDEs you can use. PyCharm is probably one of the most common for people. And so I spelled download wrong, but it doesn't matter. JetBrains is the company that runs it. So you can go to download PyCharm, and same thing, assuming you have Windows, you can just download this. Oh, no. Cancel this. Okay, so this is PyCharm Professional. So if you want to pay, that's fine. You can go to pricing. That's if you are a professional Python programmer and you're going to be submitting your codes for work and things of that nature. But you can do it for free too by doing PyCharm Community Edition, and that's what we're going to download. All right, once that's done downloading, go ahead and install it like a normal program. Do you want to allow this? Yes. Next. Oh, so what you want to do, if you wanted the desktop shortcut, that's fine. Click yes. And then update path variable, definitely do that. I just click on all of these. Click next. I install all of those. And then you let it install, and I'll cut back for that. All right, now that PyCharm is done downloading, you can reboot it now if you want to, but I'm going to select I want to manually reboot later. Press finish, and that's it. So you should have a desktop shortcut now. So let's open it for the first time. So click OK. Oh, sorry. Go do not import settings. So if you had a previously installed version of PyCharm, you could upload your settings. So let's just click on new project. Type whatever you want. So first project. Locations, this is where it's going to save all your projects to. You can create a welcome script if you want. And then the two Python versions now, since we download it two different ways, I have two different versions. It doesn't matter which one you want. This one right here is when we downloaded it straight from python.org. And this is when you downloaded it from the App Store. So I'm going to just pick the python.org one. We're going to leave this as project virtual environment for your first project. Create. The directory is not empty. So I've downloaded PyCharm once. So let's just create from existing sources. So I already have the first project here, but if yours doesn't and it's empty, just go ahead and right click on first project, go to new Python file and call it whatever you want. I name mine first project.py. And now for your first thing, you can try a print statement. So print, just type in whatever first comes to your mind. And I'm just gonna put whatever comes to mind. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now you can either come up here and run your first project with this little play button, or you can right click on this side right here and go run first project. And now in your console, it'll say, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that is your first project. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this gives you the motivation to program with me, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can create your own codes. And thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.